Hello, my name is Jessica Drossin, and today I'm here to walk you through the new city lights overlay, how you add these city lights to your image. There's a couple of different ways. We're going to walk through this one first, and I'm going to pick a vertically oriented overlay, and I am going to just grab this overlay, and I'm going to drop it right on top of my image, and I'm going to change the mode here to lighten. So there's depending on the image that you're using, there's a variety of different modes. This one, since it's dark, works well with lighten. That means that only the lighter areas of this overlay are appearing. Now at this point, I could add a mask. I could paint some areas out with a soft black brush. I could adjust the overlay by enlarging it or moving it slightly, flipping it. But I like how everything is hitting her face. So what I'm going to do instead is just edit on top of this overlay just to unify a little bit. And you can do this in any way you want. I'm just going to show you how I did it for this particular image. First, I went down to the JD Fine Art Portrait Instant Overlays. And these are from the JD Fine Art Portrait Set 1. And I used a little blue overlay. And as you can see, that just gives me a little bit of a directional light, and it gives me sort of a vignette over to the bottom and left of my image. And that's consistent with the lighting, so this is just going to help me sort of unify. And then I'm going to go to the JD Quick Flow Actions and Tints, and I'm going to go ahead and use bay leaf, again, just to sort of sweeten up my blues and pump up my reds and my magentas just a little bit. All right, so I like it, but it feels just a little bit dark to me. So I'm going to go back to bay leaf and I'm going to adjust my opacity and make it about half of what it was as the default. And then I'm going to go to my overlay, the little blue overlay, and I'm going to adjust its opacity as well. Maybe knock that down somewhere right around 3/4. And now last, I'm going to go back to the JD Quick Flow and I'm going to use Allspice. This is going to warm up and brighten my image just a little bit. And again, I'm going to lower that default opacity. And you just play with these things, or if you're hand editing, you do whatever you do until you feel comfortable. The colors and the tones are all working together for you. The purpose of these overlays is to really give you a mood and a vibe and establish that you're in the city. So play with them and have a good time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.